Oh, there it goes. You guys see that? Look at that. Uh-oh. So there we go. Hello and welcome back to Speed Freak Garage, home of power sports on YouTube. So last time we got our new wheel bearing in, hopefully without completely destroying it. It seems like it's okay. So now we need to get this old bearing race off the hub, or off the spindle. So there's many different ways to do this. I'm gonna try the hopefully easy way first, which is to use a puller, a 2-jaw puller. The problem is the only puller whose feet will fit in the little notches in here is a 2-ton, and I don't think a 2-ton's gonna do it. So we'll find out. So I got the axle washer here. I got everything sprayed in rust penetrant. We might have to take a torch to it. And then basically I got this to cover the hole. So what Porsche did is they left us 2 spots where you can get puller jaw. They didn't really leave us much space. So it's gonna be hard to do by myself. So we're gonna give it a couple turns and see if the bearing comes loose. We don't want to break the puller. It's $30 down the drain, so oh, there it goes. You guys see that? Look at that. Uh-oh. Great, now it's stuck. It's almost there. Almost there. So, wow, that surface is pretty badly damaged. How do we get it the rest of the way? How to go the rest of the way? Do I have a... let's see, I could probably do this in here and then go back to our puller like this. Gotta back it off some. So if you'll probably notice, this is the flywheel lock for the LS engine. It was the only really thick piece of metal I could find on short notice, but hey, it's working, right? So okay, come on. We gotta get everything centered or it'll just pull itself off. Fuck you. This is gonna be tough. Okay, that might do it. Maybe. Ow. Got it. Look at that. Look at that. Damn. Damn, I'm good. Not really. Don't take that seriously. I'm a shit mechanic. Let's just, you know, make sure that that's clear. I'm not a mechanic. I'm not even a mechanic. So, but this is now off. So the problem now becomes getting this. Well, obviously, it'd probably be smart to get the puller back to AutoZone. Thank you so much, AutoZone, for the rental, the free rental. So we want to get this cleaned off really, really good. And then one of the suggestions online, I think it was actually Clark's Garage suggestion, was to grease this before putting it back in, because the axle nut holds it together. That's the way it's designed. So, because you can damage your bearing if you try to put this in and you don't do it the right way. I mean, you can really badly damage your new bearing. Honestly, you could probably put this whole thing in the freezer and it would hopefully slip right in. But the correct way to do it, unfortunately, is with that. I feel dumb. I put the kit away. Is with the kit here. So what you do, I don't know why I put this away. Just have that weird OCD urge to keep things clean. So what? Oh, damn it! There's a flat disc in here I could have used for for that. I feel smart. Okay. Anyway, so you want to use the smallest disc you have, or at least you want to use one that fits properly on the bearing, in the bearing, I should say. Like, that one's probably too small. You want to do, so you only want it to touch the inner race of the bearing. So for example, this number 12 is basically perfect. I could probably go up one more size to be safe. So a number, what was that? A number 11? Okay. So then you turn it around backwards so it's flat. And then what you got to do is you need to find, and apparently you're supposed to oil these threads. I kind of forgot about that, but I ran out of rust penetrant. So anyway, so then you have to find a front piece for this one. And this is going to be kind of tough because you don't want to ruin these hub-centric standoffs. In my case, we can use this ring and it just barely fits down on the inside. So we can do that. And then this bolt will go through. Okay, stay with me here. And then this one will come over the other side. And now this is going to be hard to do by myself. So let's see. I need some grease. I think I'm just going to grease it because extreme pressure lube. Because I don't really want a wheel bearing grease. I don't really want to fuck up this brand new bearing. And that, like I said, the axle nut is torqued to 350, 380 something, like really high torque. And so what that's doing is this surface here is holding the spindle in the bearing. So there's no chance that it's gonna come out because it's being held with 400 freaking foot-pounds of torque. So I'm gonna take Clark's Garage advice, and I'm gonna just put a little tiny bit of grease on her. Just right in here, just to get it started. Make sure we don't ruin our brand new wheel bearing, because I do not want to do the removal process again, because as you guys saw, was a several day process for a non-mechanic like myself. Okay, so a little tiny bit of grease, not too much, you don't want to go crazy. And then take this and this and this. So here's the hard part when you're alone and don't have any friends, or don't have any available friends, I should say. So you got to get this in, and then you got to get this on, and then the washer. Oh shit, I'm gonna drop it. Then the washer. Okay. And then the nut. Now, you don't want to tweak this in sideways, if that makes sense. So the first thing you want to do is just hand tighten it. Make sure that that's kind of tweaked right there. Right there, straight. Okay, so it's only touching the inner, god damn it. It's only fuck, hold on. I probably just wiped grease all over the GoPro. Ah, sorry, give me a sec. I can't even touch it with my hands like this. Fucking shit, fuck. Yeah, that's great. That's really great. Fuck. Fucking fuck. God damn, I'm so bald, I just want to jump off a bridge. Ugh. Okay. I'd rather be 100% bald than half bald, because right now I'm half bald and it's a pain in my ass. I just want to get it over with and be 100% bald. Be done with it. No more shaving. Okay, anyway. So we want to make sure it's not tweaked. So if we look from the side, we can see it's just a little bit tweaked. So we're going to try and pull it up into place and then retighten the nut. Okay, that looks much more straight now. So now we're going to hope to God our impact has the balls to do it without having to fight it every step of the way. Okay, and then we gotta do, I don't know why this extension's on here. Gotta do this on the other side. So what we're doing is we're just gonna use the weight of this tool to stabilize it. Okay, I need to get this brake line back in place. It's not a good spot for it. Okay, so hopefully this works. We'll have to keep a really close eye on when it's finally fully in. So there we go. Well, shit, I need to break the... Okay, so all the cleanup work I'm not gonna make you guys watch because there's a lot of cleanup work. Oh shit, did I forget to put the... Ooh, where did the... Oh, nope, sorry, this one's over here. There should be a washer. Yeah. Okay, so this is now fully in the bearing, and it's a nice, fresh, tight wheel bearing. So we can put the brake rotor back on, and then we can put the bear with me here for a sec. So the brake rotor's next. Granted, I wish I had money for new rotors, and it has these little I think it goes like that. It's got like little tie down screws. I'm not really sure what the hell the purpose of them is for. I mean, I guess just to keep it from falling off when you change your wheels. It's kind of odd. Most newer modern brake rotors are just slightly press fit. So, but we're finally making forward progress. Well, actually, I should say once the brake pads are going in, then we're making forward progress. So, I'm just gonna very carefully do that. We don't want to. Ooh. Don't want to overdo it. They're just retention screws. Okay. And then the caliper can now go back on, which the caliper is a god-awful mess. Where's the caliper bolts? Oh boy. Did I screw up? Where's my caliper bolts? There they are. Okay, so these need to be Loctited because, well, they're caliper bolts. And then, let's see, the socket for them is this 19. So I need Loctite, and I need to get the caliper back. Oh no, wait, hold on. No, I can't do that because I need to get these stupid pins out somehow. Yeah, I'm not sure how I'm gonna do that actually, because where did that? Oh yeah, they're stuck in there pretty damn good. Of course, this tool is junk. I wonder if I can. Yeah, this is not gonna be fun. I might have to try and air chisel them out, which, as we found before, the air chisel just kind of mushrooms the problem. Literally, just makes it a mushroom. And okay, okay, I need to take this back to AutoZone, I guess, and deal with this probably another day before I lose my patience. The problem is I gotta put this back the way I found it, which is the 3-jaw configuration. So, okay, thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you next time.